Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Binance US and secure your account with 2FA detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Binance US, start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Binance US. Select the Binance US app from the search result. Tap on the Install or Get button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Binance US app. You will be prompted to either log in or create a new account. If you are a new user, select Sign Up. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. After entering the information, agree to the terms of service by checking the box. Tap on Create Account to proceed. You may receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Now, return to the Binance US app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, it's time to secure your account with two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Go to the account settings, usually found in the profile menu. Look for the security section and select two-factor authentication. You will have options to set up 2FA via an authenticator app or SMS. For added security, it's recommended to choose an authenticator app. Download an authenticator app if you don't have one, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed in the Binance US app. The app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into the Binance US app to confirm the setup. Make sure to save your backup codes in a secure location. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring the 2FA code for future logins. Your Binance US app is now downloaded and your account is secured with 2FA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.